this way. You know what's gonna be fun editing the footage is getting all the weapon outlines. Yeah, they're shooting at him. So that means let's cut through here. Oh shit, tree came down. Yep, that's not a good thing. So let's just be careful doing this. Here, I got you, man.
I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about them hearing all that noise.
No, Dustin's probably talking.
We're good.
Yep, there you go. Alright, so cut through this way. Okay, so I knew a good spot. Right there, you see that little dip right there? We just crawl up in there. So let's come out this way. There we go.
There he is.
You see him?
Yeah, he's got a bead on us already.
Yeah, that's what I want. So, yeah, you can do that. You go on ahead. I'll go on ahead up. You go around. Shit, the other way. This way right here, and try and get a flank on him. I, my friend, am going to crawl up and.
I'm gonna take it straight to him if you want flank.
Yeah, I'm gonna flank up this way. Sorry! Oh my fucking god, really?
I can hit him from here with that pipe.
Probably hit him here with this. Oh, that went over his head. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna go get him. Timmy, forget about the sling, just have fun. Let's get these boys! He's on like Donkey Kong! Nah, I might as well go ahead and put this back because I don't need that. Watch it, they're coming in from your sides! Don't come here. No, no, no. Yeah, boss! Nice! Yeah, it's back up. Huh? Let's back off a bit and give him some breathing room. Yeah, let's give him some breathing room, guys. Oh my god, I freaking love this guy. What? Oh, you got hit? Who shot? Huh? Yeah, they are respawning. You probably got hit by a branch or something. Whoop, yep. Shit. Oop, that has got an AR mag in it. Can't use that. Oh, fuckers. Yeah. Woo! Hello. Suck it! Bang, 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 bang. Safety kill.
I shot at you. Yeah, he wasn't hit.
Yeah, they're dead.
No, I got one. Actually, I was in the middle of respawn.
Oh, sorry. But I did get you, Dustin.
I'm still in respawn, so.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep my eye on you.
Yeah, back up.
Oh, son of a bitch. Shit. Oh shit. Shit. Woo, shit. Thank you, Aaron. Which means if I can get this shot. Damn it!
Hey, I'm out.
Yeah, watch out for the dead man.
I'm already out, so.
Of course you are. Ah! Woo! Thanks for the save.
Got him. Who got him?
Oh.
It wasn't me. Did you? No, I said, who got you? You get him, Alex?
No, my shot went like right through his cap.
Well, it had to be Timmy that got him. We're hit, damn it. Timmy got him.
Oh my god, I love this gun. I got one of you in my gat, which means this thing got claimed to kill. Oh yeah! I'm having way too much fun with this. Yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah, when you slam fire this gun, depending on where you're holding it, you're probably going to get a lot of concept photos.
This has been a lot of fun, guys.
Yeah, might as well get you home, man.
Yeah.
Whew, shit.
Yeah, let's load everything up.
Yeah.